Good morning, class. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, madam.
So it is time for mathematics. Let us sit down and start learning mathematics. So our today's topic is about area. We are going to work out area using rows and columns. Can you read for me the heading from the blackboard, everybody?
Using rows and columns to work out area.
We are going to work out area of different figures using the rows and columns. So before we know what are these rows and columns, the other time we were also working out area when we were counting the number of squares. The last lesson we looked at maybe working out area by counting squares. So this is what we were doing. We were having a figure like this. Then we divide it into small units, the small squares. Then you are told to work out area by doing what? Counting the squares. Can you help me counting, everybody?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So we have 9 squares. So we say the area is equal to 9 square units. Remember to give the units, that is the square unit. So this is what we were doing in the previous lesson. We were finding out area used by doing what? By counting the squares. So today we want to find out area, but now using a different way by doing what? Counting the rows and columns. Can you say rows and columns? So somebody does not know what a row is. So we want to know what the rows are. Maybe you have a figure like this. This is a rectangle. Then you divide your rectangle like that. So we have these lines going downwards like that. Zinaenda chini hivyo. Then we have others like this. So when you divide like this, we have those lines that are moving down, the others are going across. So these lines here, the ones that are going down like this, are you able to see? Umeona vizuri? Easy. Inatoka juu 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Umeziangalia vizuri? How do you call those lines? Who can guess? Are they rows or columns? The one going down? Yes? Very good. So these lines going downwards are the one we are calling the rows. These are the rows. So if we look at this figure, somebody may ask you, how many rows does this diagram have? You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this figure here has got 6 rows. I hope everybody has known what rows are. Then we come to columns. Can you say columns? Everybody? So if you are told to identify maybe the columns, now you are going to count across. How many columns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this figure here has got, the rows were 6 rows, and we had how many columns? Columns are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So today's work here, we want to work out the area of such figures by doing what? Using the rows and also the columns. We take the number of rows and the number of the columns, then we multiply and get the area of that figure. So the first example is here. Just look on the blackboard, don't write. Example is here. I can have a figure like that. I've said don't write, huh? So I've drawn this diagram here. I want to work out the area of that diagram, and I'm going to use the rows and the columns. So, first of all, let us identify the number of rows. How many rows are there? Help me to count. Everybody? 3. We have 6 rows. We now come to the columns. How many columns, everybody? Our columns are 3. So if you want to find the area, you multiply the number of rows and the number of columns. So we shall say area is equals to, what is the number of rows? 6. What is the number of columns? 3. So we say our area is equals to 6 multiplied by 3. When you multiply 6 by 3, what do you get? 18. Hey, you got up your hand. 6 multiplied by 3. Yes, Abdi Malik? 18. Very good. So we are going to write our answer as 18. When you write 18, what do we add? There are 18. Very good. We have 18 square units. That is how we find our area of that diagram there. You count the number of rows, you count the number of the columns. Can you look in the blackboard? You count the number of rows and the number of the columns, then you multiply. So the area of this figure here is 18 square units. So I want somebody to come and try out this one. Who will come and calculate for us the area using the rows and columns? You count the number of rows and the number of columns. Who will do that? Najib, come. Very fast. You count the rows and also the... look on the blackboard.
Yes? Is it a triangle? That one is a triangle. Square.
Columns ni gani?
That's not square. Rectangle.
Nasa mbili. Rows ni gani na columns ni gani? Calculate. Check whether it's doing it correctly. Have you finished? Square units, right? Square units. Go and sit down. Let us check whether you have gotten it right. Let us count the number of rows first. Everybody, we go.
2, 3, 4.
He has the 4 rows. Columns.
1, 2, 3, 4.
He has the 5 columns. So you multiply 5 by 4. The answer is 20 units. Can you clap for him? I need a girl now. One girl to come and do this for us. A girl to come. Very fast, Areda. Good. You are just trying. Come and try. You check on the blackboard whether she's doing the correct thing. she's gotten it right. Can you help me counting the rows, everybody? So we have the 4 rows. Columns, everybody? 3 columns. You multiply 3 by 4, you get 12 columns. So that is good. Can you clap for her also? Let us now write the first example in your books.